It's a nice sunny day today, Thursday. I just finished a shoulder workout. One of my friends suggested me this workout, and I just wanted to try that out. It's mainly for strengthening, focusing on strengthening, and also focusing on nice background today. Also focusing on. I also did some changes to focus on the conditioning as well. So for some workouts, some exercises I went up to 20 reps, and some of them I did up to 10-12 reps. So it was a good workout. Mainly I'm focusing on getting stronger as well these days, because I'm doing two workouts. One I'm focusing on strength, and the other one I'm focusing on the pump. So I think this is the first workout, shoulder workout for this week. I'm a bit slacking this week, but it's okay, I'll be catching up. I'm getting back into videos as the weather gets nice and I'm feeling good and all that, and yeah, pretty much. And then I will post my videos, and I will let you guys watch the videos, and I have a flexing session, some flexing at the end as well. And also guys, someone told me this, the reason I'm wearing the glasses. I really don't like wearing glasses, but like in Australia there's a lot of UV rays, and it damage your eyes. For some reason they get some rashes on the eyes, so the best thing you can do is use glasses which will protect you from UV rays. The summer's coming and the sun's coming and all this, so it's better to be protected. Just spreading the word. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for all the likes and subscribing to my video. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. It keeps me motivated. See you guys.